Mini rigs on, the bass raw. We not live yard. Say London, we born. We puff weed hard. We move on, go long. Say listen, we song. Yes, you know me fit and we strong. Know the right from the wrong. Don't play this at the one. Nice up everyone. When we step position, lightning it a go calm. Burning like the sun. We are the real ganja born. When me bump on me thing and me elevating and me resurrecting on the bed you bringing you no jolly beam and I talk and it's miracle lip up in on the fruit of in my thing when me take you for broad. Me pull it to ring and me brother is sitting me when have you been? Me say what? Man a real big man when you ask them thing. Man a real big man when you ask them thing. No, pure bad pretty me a fling down. Bring us the weed man tell him for bring round. One big bag of weed now, that's how we do it. From the start I knew it. Say anytime that me I pick up the mic and afraid the crowd know me fluent. Yeah. Say at the start you need a dub selector. To run this sound you need a operator. Behind the scene there is a real boss, yeah. And a wicked artist on the mic center. And say all of them together is a sound man crew. Trust me, you fire when them a go pass through. Don't play if you want to test my youth. Cause you know say my sound is a champion crew. Say the vibes big, me chat, me sick, the bass hit. Say go and move your hip, say me full of lyric. Say pull up the thing, me say me chat, me sing. Say step in the ring, cause you know we big and we larger. Know we big and we broader. International, real you know we no fraud. So when we cross the border, Babylon look and we harder. We got the real ganja farmer, plant it across the lawn. But we loving the vibe, just bust of the night. Every reggae music, keep on me inside. Me walking me pride, give thanks for we life. We not on me fuss and we not on me fight. Me burn up the thing and me get every dice. And no need to lie, the thing by my side. Say come follow me and me show you the light. Real big man, what you think, let me lie. More real big man, what you think, let me joking. Pure pen, we be a smoking. Bring up the sound man, what you promoting. Coming out deal with a joking, that's what we doing. So when me come through with a new thing. Cause anytime that me a roll to the dance, what? Cause you know that's a crew thing. Trust me tell them, at the start you need a dub selector. To run the sound you need a operator. Behind the scene there is a real boss, yeah. And a wicked artist on the mic center. And say all of them together is a sound man crew. Trust me, you fire when them a go pass through. Don't play if you want to test my youth. Cause you know say this sound is a champion crew.